Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometry in an easy way. Start by grasping the core concepts of sine, cosine, and tangent. These three primary trigonometric ratios are essential for understanding angles and sides in right triangles. Remember the SOHCAHTOA mnemonic, which stands for sine opposite hypotenuse, cosine adjacent hypotenuse, and tangent opposite adjacent. This simple tool will be your best friend for solving many problems. Next, focus on mastering the unit circle. This powerful visual tool helps you understand trigonometric values for all angles, not just those in right triangles. Remember that a full circle is 360 degrees or 2 pi radians. Practice converting between these two units of angular measurement. Consistent practice with these foundational elements will solidify your understanding and build confidence. Now, let's dive into the essential formulas and identities. The Pythagorean identities, like sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1, are fundamental. Also, learn the sum and difference formulas for sine and cosine, which help combine or separate angles. Don't forget the double and half-angle identities, crucial for simplifying more complex expressions. These tools are vital for advanced problem solving. Finally, consistent practice is the only way to truly master trigonometry. Work through numerous problems, starting with basic calculations and gradually moving to more complex applications. Try applying these concepts to real-world situations, such as calculating heights or distances. Use online tutorials, textbooks, and practice quizzes to reinforce your learning. Dedication to practice will make trigonometry feel intuitive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.